I'm just going to start crowing.
He discovered vodka? Mate, it's a good one.
All right.
That would have been a funny one to put.
Interesting factoid. He found it by eating a sandwich over his experiments contaminating it.
Oh, yeah,
so his fucking complacency. The dude was so bad at his job that he discovered one of the most important things that have ever been discovered. It's pretty fucking comical. Pretty fucking comical.
Hi, TGU. Welcome in. You're not late. We just started trivia on time / early.
Question number 9.
Come in.
Antony von Leeuwenhoek who is credited with the discovery of bacteria in what year? 1876, 1376, 1676, or 876? Antony van Leeuwenhoek.
Discovered bacteria. America. That's right, boo. America. Welcome in. I'm going to stay awake the entire stream, but I'm going to fall asleep. I'm going to stay awake for trivia. I'm going to fall asleep after trivia, I think.
Not gonna even guess on that one.
See, that's being
How did you say that shit? Leeuwenhoek? Antony van Leeuwenhoek.
Tricia! Yes, Caliente, Tricia.
Interesting factoid. He found it by looking at the scrapings of the plaque of his teeth under a microscope.
That's weird.
That's fucking crazy.
That's weird. That's how penicillin was discovered.
No, that was discovery of bacteria.
Oh, bacteria.
That's nuts.
It was
How much larger is a full-grown blue
whale?
whale compared to a house ant? Well, according to Chuck E. Cheese.net, about 10 times larger. I don't know why I found that so fucking funny. Chuck E. Cheese .net. Chuck E. Cheese.net. About 10 times larger. Oh my god. According to Chuck E. Cheese, this is like what was the thing that I was saying all week last week?
Not the thing about how you trust the NFL.
No, always caliente. How you guys feeling? Pretty good.
A little.
What is the phrase that I was using? You had an education from where? Oh, pawn shop education. Oh, Pawn Stars. It was specifically Pawn Stars. Pawn Stars education. From ChuckECheese.net.
We're feeling good. I tested negative today.
Wasn't he the one who discovered sperm too?
Maybe. What was he looking at under the microscope?
Who knows? Here we go.
Sock?
Question number 10, guys. We're 1/3 of the way there. What is the primary way in which bacteria reproduces? Is it mitosis, meiosis, osmosis, or binary fission?
Osmosis.
Osmosis?
Osmosis.
Meiosis? Mitosis? Are these...
Mitosis, meiosis, osmosis, or binary fission?
Osmosis?
Osmosis.
Hey, cat, it's